Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a photo transparent in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. We can see we open the software. Now I am click this open from computer option. Then we open our image from our computer. Now we can see here I Apple image. Now we select it and open it. Wait some moment to open the image. We can see here I Apple image, but the image have a background. Now we want to remove the background or make the image transparent. Go to the tool section. We can see here many tool. You can use any tool like the pen tool, eraser or selection, etc. Now I am select the eraser tool. Then click the right button and choose the magic eraser. Then select the background, one click, and we can see the remove the background automatically. This way is very easy. Now I am select the move tool. Then we go to the layer section and open the layer. We can see here the layer. You can move the image anywhere. You can add any layer. Select this new layer option and make the layer back to the apple. Then select any color. Now I am choose a color. Then press Alt or backspace. We can see we make the image transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.